Let's make a cheesy chicken sausage and biscuit skillet. Peel and finely chop 4 cloves of garlic and thinly slice half an onion. Peel 8 raw biscuits in half, then quarter them. Place garlic and 4 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl, then heat for 30 seconds. Toss biscuits in the garlic butter, add salt and pepper, and mix thoroughly. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat, then add 18 ounces of chicken sausage mix to the pan. Add in the sliced onion and season with salt and pepper. Break up the meat and mix until browned and the onions are softened. About 4 to 6 minutes. Mix in the biscuits, then spread into an even layer in the pan. Bake the mixture in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes until the biscuits are golden brown. Spread 1 cup of marinara over top of skillet, then cover with cheese. Broil the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melted. And you're done!